Good morning. Welcome back to Chronicles of a Quarantine Chef. Today we're going to show you a little brunch breakfast sandwich that you can enjoy on your Sunday morning, Saturday morning, or any day of the week really, while we're all kind of waiting this crisis out, and still feel like you're having some luxurious eggs from your favorite French restaurant or your favorite brunch spot. So let's check it out. All right, for our soft scrambled egg sandwiches, we have our farm fresh eggs, some shaved cheddar cheese, some cream cheese, this is our family secret, a little bit of butter, and our brioche buns. We're going to whisk these eggs up until they're nice and frothy, and then we'll show you how to cook them. All right, so we have our non-stick pan. We also have a cast iron pan here. We're going to use this to toast our bread. A little bit of butter in the bottom of the pan, kind of like a medium low to low heat for the cast iron. Right now, I've had my non-stick on the stove for a few minutes, just at a very low heat. The key to doing a soft scrambled egg is just to make sure that you cook it nice, low and slow. This is not something you want to rush if you want that really nice kind of creamy texture. So we do plenty of butter in the pan. Get that mostly melted. It's okay if you got a little bit still in there. We're gonna add our nice whipped up eggs. This is also a project that you don't want to leave alone. You gotta kind of babysit it. So, a little bit of kosher salt, some cracked pepper, and then just stir. All right, so our eggs we've been stirring our eggs for about 2 minutes now. We're gonna add our cream cheese in it. This is kind of, like I said, our family secret to keep it really nice and creamy. We also have a little bit of ground breakfast sausage we're gonna add at the end just for flavor. I went ahead and turned the burger buns off. They're toasted through, but the pan will keep them nice and warm while we finish our eggs. So as we see all that come together, if you wanted to add breakfast sausage or something like that right now, this would be the right time to do it. The eggs are probably about 80% of the way cooked. So I was going to add a little bit of cheddar. The more cheese, the more fat you add to your eggs, the creamier and fluffier, the nicer they're going to be. So basically, as soon as this cheese is melted, I'm actually going to go ahead and turn off the pan right now. I want to keep it, the residual heat of the pan will be enough to warm up the sausage. I am using cooked sausage already, so if you're using, if you're going to do something like this, you would definitely need to use like cooked bacon or cooked sausage and add that to it. So it's a great way to use some leftovers. So as you can see, the residual heat of the pan is just enough to melt all of our cheese, cream cheese, and cook the eggs just the rest of the way while warming up the bacon. While warming up the sausage. All right, we got our toasted buns. We got our nice, super soft scrambled eggs that are nice, cheesy, and ready to go. Dollop that right on top of each of our buns, and we have our Sunday Funday brunch. So, stay sane and sated, and enjoy your brunch on this beautiful Sunday morning.